Hi guys, and today I'm gonna make a truck with the Legos. So let's start right away. First, you take this 4 dotted thick block and 3 dotted on the bottom. You flip it where you see the 3 big dots, and then take one of these where it holds 4, and you can put wheels on these. Keep 2 of them on these. So after you're done with that, make sure you get this 1 dot and 1 big dot ones, and keep it any side you want. Doesn't matter. So, and then keep this clear one, 2 dotted. Keep it on here. And then keep this 4 dotted one, which is blue, on here. After you're done, keep these wheels on. So after you're done putting the wheels, you get this. Make sure it's round like a cylinder, and 1 big dotted on one side and 1 small dotted. And you see these gray little dotted ones? Keep it on this. Keep 2 of them. And you see this dot over here? Keep it on here. And there you go. You have a truck. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye.